Apti. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 9 of your class 5 English grammar, that is conjunctions. So let's begin with this lesson. The words that joins other words, जो words the join the words को group of words को sentences को sentence together are called conjunction. जो words को group of words को एक साथ join कर देते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Conjunctions कहते हैं. A conjunction help us to make what we want to say shorter and more specific. conjunction क्या कर देता है हमारे लिए जो हम कहना चाहते हैं उसको shorter और specific बना देता है. Here, study the following pairs of sentence. I ran fast, I missed the tree. I went fast and but missed the tree. And में आएगा I went fast but missed the tree. तो आपका shorter हो सकता है इसे. The sun set, night fell. The sun set and the night fell. So the first pair, I ran fast and I missed the train, are two independent sentences. ये दो आपके अलग-अलग independent sentences हैं. They stand alone and are equal rank. They do not depend upon each other to express their full meaning. वो एक दूसरे पे depend नहीं करते अपना full meaning दिखाने के लिए. If we join these two sentences with the word but, we make the single sentence I went fast but missed the train. इसका shorter sentence बन गया. अब specific आ गया. In second pair, the two sentences, the sun set and the night fell, are two independent sentences. ये भी दो independent sentence है. Of equal rank, we may join them together. हम इसको join कर सकते हैं with the word and to get a single sentence like the sun set and night fell. So these two words and and but are coordinating conjunctions. ये आपकी क्या है? Coordinating conjunctions है. Other coordinating conjunctions are all, still, yet, etc. ये क्या आपकी और coordinating conjunctions है. Now a coordinating conjunction that joins together sentence of equal rank is called coordinating conjunction. जो equal rank के दो sentences को एक साथ join कर देती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Coordinating conjunctions कहते हैं. Now study these two sentences. I like him because he is honest. मैंने उसको पसंद किया because वो क्या है? Honest है. He knows where you have put the files. The first sentence contains two statements. Those statements में first sentence में like I like him because क्यों करा? He is honest. Here are these two sentences independent. क्या ये दो sentences independent हैं? Can they stand alone? क्या वो खुद से stand कर सकते हैं? No. The sentence because he is honest makes it complete sense. It depends upon the I like him. वो उस पर first sentence से depend कर रहा है ना for expressing its full meaning. It is subordinate to the other sentence. वो क्या subordinate है दूसरे sentence के लिए. I like him, so the two sentences of unequal rank are the and the word because joins them together. In the second sentence also, the statement where you have to put the files कि कहाँ पे तुम्हें files रखनी है is incomplete and must depend on he knows to make a full sentence. वो he knows पर depend कर रहा है full sentence sense बनाने के लिए. Here, these two words because and were are subordinating conjunction. Because of word क्या है आपका? Subordinating conjunctions है. Other subordinating conjunction are after, before, it, that, so, although, till, unless, when, while, etc. ये क्या आपकी और subordinating conjunctions है. Here, a conjunction that joins together two sentences of unequal rank is called subordinating conjunction. जो unequal rank के दो sentences को join करता है उसको subordinating कहते हैं. जो equal rank के दो sentences को join करता है उनको coordinate conjunctions कहते हैं. These are some examples which are used in pairs such as conjunction either or, either take it or leave it, neither nor. आप कैसे pair में तो use करोगे? He will neither read the book nor return it. ना वो पढ़ेगा book को ना ही return करेगा. Both and the boys both love and respect their teacher. Though he was injured, yet he played on. So that the man is so old that he cannot walk alone. Not only, but also, he is not only strong but also courageous. का वो strong नहीं है, courageous भी है. Hardly scarcely had come in when it started raining. No sooner than, कैसे यूज करता है? No sooner did the bell ring than the children ran out of the school. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.